Welcome to Big Time Fantastic. I'm Eric.
I'm Lacey.
We're doing Universal Yums unboxing. Yeah, this is for
February 2024.
February.
Not sponsored. Second. So.
And it is from France.
The country of love.
Oui.
It's the only France word I know. French word. France word. I'm so sorry. It's been a really long day.
It's the only France I know.
I'm so sorry. Okay.
Eiffel Tower.
Away we go to France. Excuse me.
All right.
Bonjour from France.
Bonjour.
France.
Oh wait, that's Italian. Damn.
The land of dreamy Parisian cafes, vast provincial lavender fields, and of course some of the best cuisine in the world. There's a lot of history and culture to dig into here, from iconic fashion trends to Monet's world-famous paintings that led the art world into a new era. With so much to explore, we're certain that France will leave a good impression. I want you to know that those words are like italicized. Get it? Impression? Monet's impressionist painting style? We'll see.
I gotcha. All right, hold on. I gotta speak this real quick. That's better.
Okay. All right. Okay, here we go. Let's get started.
Here we go.
Are you ready?
Where are we off to?
First, pure butter sablaise. Pretty that is. There you go. Freeze! Before you try this famous French shortbread, you should know this. The main ingredient is sand. We know, let us explain. Sablaise are centuries old cookies made by rubbing cold butter into flour and sugar to form tiny particles of dough. Given the dough's striking resemblance to sand, these golden breadcrumbs came to be called sablé, the French word for sand. Okay, so wait a second. Okay. Shortbread cookies.
Would you like a shortbread cookie?
I would love one, please.
A sablé?
And I hope I say it right. Please let me know if I said this wrong, because I'm not French. Nor do I have any foreign language skills. So it's kind of good. We got our French stickers.
You don't have any French ancestry?
Yeah, I don't know. I might, but I don't know if I do. Ooh, thank you. Oh, it smells so buttery.
Ramel Pollard.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's deliciously flaky and just crumbles.
It says 1888 on it.
Yummy. Oh, like, do I get another one? 1888. That's pretty cool. Thanks.
They're definitely buttery.
That's so good.
That is really good.
I love shortbread cookies. Oh, that's just delicious. I have some coffee to wash that down, though.
We have an affinity for shortbread. We like Scottish shortbread, too. Boo, 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 boo.
Ooh. Careful back there.
Hold on there. Getting crazy back here. Okay. Those were yummy. Next. Ramel Pollard.
I have to make another coffee. All right, next. Goat cheese and espelette chili potato chips. Cheesy chips with a hint of heat.
Goat cheese and espelette chili peppers.
Would you believe us if we said these chips double as Christmas decorations? Long before the poinsettia became synonymous with holiday spirit, French homes would be decorated with bright green, red, and yellow peppers. While the edible decorations went out of style in the 1900s, folks in France's Basque region still go out of their way to celebrate the Estelette pepper by way of food, festivals, and yes, decorations. So let's not forget our favorite way to celebrate the super smoky pepper in this delightfully savory potato chip.
Well, that's definitely goat cheese. It's everything I remember about goat cheese, too.
I mean, they're good. I'm not quite getting a lot of heat. Maybe I don't have a spicy one.
That's what I'm looking for, is that the pepper. So that's what they. Tell all my goaty people out there that know about goats. Oh, there's a little bit of heat now. A little bit of heat. Kind of like a Tabasco heat. That was gross. I can taste the goatiness in these. I can taste that. I don't know what it is. It makes it taste goaty.
You know what?
Maybe the buckiness of it. I don't know.
I want to dip this in cottage cheese so bad.
Oh, man. That's like,
that would be the best chip to dip in cottage cheese.
I don't know, man. You get like milk cheese and goat cheese. Might be the two might fight in your mouth.
It's a battle I'm willing to take on.
It's a cheesy battle you're willing to risk, huh? Right, next.
Oh, wow.
We're not grazing here.
Yes, we are grazing. Bonbons.
Bonbons.
Love strawberries?
Bonbons.
You have France to thank. French royals were the first to farm the fruits back in the 14th century when King Charles V boasting 1,200 strawberry plants in his garden.
Dang.
Then, in the late 18th century, it was also France that crossbred two New World strains, the Virginia strawberry and the Chilean white strawberry, to create the modern strawberry the whole world knows and loves today. Thank you. Hard.
Kind of get started. Oh my lord.
I hope you take this part of the video and just like speed it up. The show is just chewing and chewing and chewing.
I feel like a cow chewing my
Oh my star. Okay.
For your benefit and mine, let's go and dig that out and set that right there for a moment. It's kind of like a high chew. It's just, whew. Boy, that's just tough.
Okay. Will you like throw that away? I really don't want to look at that. Thanks. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm a little tired.
Yeah, where you at?
I'm not gonna lie, like that was a workout for your mouth.
I want to carry that around in your pocket for a while.
Holy moly.
Warm it up a little bit.
Yeah, that definitely deserves a pocket for like an hour. Okie dokie. Our next treat. Raspberry roll cake. Ooh, yum. You want to open that up?
Raspberry roll cake. Yeah.
Stop! I love how they tell you instructions.
Stop!
Before you bite into this cake, smell it. Just like juicy raspberries, right? While you might consider anything resembling cake firmly in the dessert category, this particular confection is a little bit different once you get to France. Fluffy raspberry roll cake like this is typically eaten not as a dessert but for breakfast. And to that we say stop. Think about saving this cake for tomorrow morning instead. Or just ignore tradition and eat it now, because really, how could anyone resist? Oh, yeah, we're totally going to eat that now. We have coffee. We'll just pretend it's morning.
Stop.
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 It's coffee. It doesn't have an overwhelming, like, raspberry flavor. It's still good. There it is. It, like, comes a little bit later more as you swallow and, like, in your palate.
It's very subtle.
It's subtle, but it's good. Oh, no, eat it up. A little bit.
Almost tastes a little kind of honey-ish.
It's more sweet than tart. Like, it doesn't have much, like, raspberry tart to it. We're still good.
It's yummy. It's delicious.
We might have to pause so I can go make another coffee. Okay. Oh, yeah, definitely after this next one, I'm going to need a coffee. Chocolate chip cookie truffles.
Oh, my.
Deck it in dark chocolate with cookie pieces. When Marie Antoinette married Louis... Oh, let me restart that one. Recording?
Oh, my.
Oh, let me try it again. Okay. Chocolate chip cookie truffles. When Marie Antoinette married Louis the 16th in 1770, she moved her entire life from Vienna to the Palace of Versailles, including her personal chocolate maker, who was given the new title, Chocolate Maker to the Queen. Knowing this, it might not be surprising that Marie was famous for having sweets first thing in the morning, with breakfast featuring cups of rich hot chocolate and tons of cookies. We're not saying you should eat these melt-in-your-mouth truffles for breakfast, but we're also not saying that. Ooh.
Let them eat cake.
Oh, that's how, like, dark and chocolatey and truffly.
Let them eat truffles.
Oh, that's delicious.
It's like the yummiest chocolate, pure chocolate truffle you've had. It's got these little crunchings in it. You couldn't see it. It doesn't look like cookie bits in there. It's just, they're just these weird little random chunkies.
That is so delicious.
Yeah,
just
dang. Have another one.
Oh no, I'm gonna like save those because there's more coming. I want to eat them all.
All right.
So we'll get there.
Next.
Ooh. It's time for the yum bag.
The yum.
But I need to make a coffee. So
okay, we'll pause.
Alrighty, guys. Next we have the yum bag.
The yum bag. The yum bag.
What's inside the yum bag? Don't be a surprise. Only to you, 'cause I got the book. So what do you see that you want to stick in your mouth? That's a popcorn truffle.
Popcorn truffle.
Decadent French chocolate with bits of toasty popcorn.
A popcorn truffle. Better than the truffle shuffle. And
Fleur de sel caramels.
Caramels.
Is it de sel or de say? I don't know. Salted caramel.
Oh, I'm gonna put that in your pocket for a bit.
Nah. We're gonna live life on the edge. We might be shocked.
Oh. That's gooey.
No. Very true.
Didn't I know?
No, it's amazing. It's so good. It's just very chewy. Wow, it's a lot of sun coming in right now. It looks like it's so bright over here. Good governor.
Wow, that is
It's really good, but it's so chewy.
caramel.
This has been a very chewy
top.
box. Still chewing.
Wow, that is chewy caramel.
Oh, goodness gracious. Okay.
Truffle? Popcorn truffle? That caramel is so rich.
Popcorn flavored truffle.
Popcorn chunky there.
Ooh. Ooh, that's surprisingly good. I don't know why I didn't think it would be. The popcorn's not even stale. I think that's what I was anticipating, that the popcorn would be stale inside or something like that, but no.
That was strangely bizarre.
It was surprisingly really good.
Not what I was expecting.
I mean, the chocolate is amazing, of course, but
Popcorn.
the popcorn inside was really good. I'm just kind of flabbergasted.
That'll work.
That's up to you, France. Like, I'm pretty impressed so far. All right, next. Sour cherry hard candies.
Oh, man.
You know, we should probably do those at the very end, so we could just chat and suck on them.
Yeah,
They look hard. They are hard.
These are hard candies.
Yeah, we'll do those very last. Next to last, we have 47% cacao dark chocolate.
Yes. Ooh, with salt crystals.
Flowers on B-Day, overrated. But Fleur de Sel, swoon. I hope I'm saying this right. I don't know. I don't think I might.
What?
It's this right here. Fleur and then de. Is it D de? I don't know. And SEL.
Fleur de Sel.
Fleur de Sel is the so-called caviar sea salt formed when seawater evaporates and leaves behind delicate salt flowers.
That's what I mean. Salt flowers. Fleur de Sel.
The most productive salt marshes only produce 2 pounds per day. The process is slow and expensive, but worth it. So trained workers called paludiers use special wooden rakes called luisse à fleurs to collect them. Okay, okay. I'm just gonna stop talking and eat the chocolate. Yeah. I have no French.
Dark chocolate.
Oh, that smells incredible. Man.
That is so just yum.
That is delicious.
You know, all you people out there that don't like dark chocolate, try it. Try this. This is really good.
It's not bitter. It has the perfect amount of sweetness to it.
It's not gritty.
Not gritty. You get a little of that salt, so it balances all the flavors.
Even the salt's not gritty. It's just like every once in a while I just get that little pop of salt, and it's like, ooh. The milk consistency is really good on that, though. It's so smooth. Yum. That's good.
Oh, that's just delicious.
A little bit of dark chocolate's like medicine for you.
Mm.
Your body just loves it.
Oh, I'm so happy right now. It's just delicious. Okay,
Mm.
the last, I love for our lovers box for Valentine's Day, basically, to share with the one you love, we are ending with garlic aioli potato chips.
Don't kiss me.
Because nothing says love like garlic aioli.
Well, you might as well,
Just do it.
if you're going to do it, you might as well share,
Open them up.
Mm.
Real French potatoes.
Oh, but I want you to experience the woof.
Whoa. You do it. It was a little garlicky.
Wow.
It's
That's
just strong.
like bracingly strong. Oh, yeah, I got a little pink cheeked on that one. Woo. Wow, what is that smell?
Garlic. Wow, it's garlicky. Mm-hmm.
That
That's good though.
is so garlicky.
Oh my gosh. You would not want to go on a first date with somebody and eat these unless you really wanted to test that person's like power of your relationship.
What about 24 years?
No, I don't count.
I'll make you brush your teeth.
Yeah. Like, woman, you got a toothbrush.
It's like, yeah, I gotta brush your teeth, man.
Ditto.
I will. Woo. Mm.
They're very strong.
I don't even want to be around me right now.
It's a lot of garlic.
That's a lot. Wow, boy, that's like when you stop, it gets worse. It's like those jalapeno chips you used to get.
You know, when you keep eating, it doesn't make it any
As
better.
long as you're
Actually,
eating them, it's so fine. But man, when you stop, you're just like, oh, I don't love you anymore. Wow,
huh.
delicious. So garlicky. Okay, well, that's it for Universal Yums.
Oh my goodness.
Um,
That was a really good box.
That was a good box.
We haven't tried the hard candies yet, but
We will. I'm sure they'll be fine. I'm sure they'll be quite delicious. Ooh, they're made in Belgium. And they're sour cherry, so it might be a little puckery.
ooh, bun bun. Oh, it's so sour. Oh, Lord have mercy. Did we not read the sour part?
All right. Ooh, one more time. I was not expecting that at all. I felt like I got kicked by a horse.
Okay. We can do it. We can get through it.
Oh my god. Ah.
When you get past the sour, it's fine.
Ah.
It's so sweet.
So much for the France box. It was quite delicious and
amazingly good.
Highly recommend. Till next time, peace and love. We'll catch.
Shall we try that one
Blooper.
again?
Oh man. Till next time. Peace
Bye,
and love.
guys.
See you later. Bye.